Hello students, myself Aisha. Today I am going to explain you unit number 5 prose section, that is a question of space written by Neera Kashyap. So in this chapter, a question of space which states here about different thinkings a person gets in his mind, and regarding that he begins to think, and that's nothing but a question of space here. Before going to understand the chapter a question of space, which is written by Neera Kashyap, let us try to understand what the warm up activity is given here. In this activity, it is stated that work with your partner. The following word search puzzle has the names of different professions. Find them out. 1. Photographer has been done for you. Would you like to choose any one of them? Give reason for your answer. So, here it is questioned how you must have to involve yourself in certain activities. In the warm up activity, it is explained that you have to work with your partner, and now you know you are going on in the online classes. If you were in the offline classes, surely you could have understood, and you could have questioned, you could have answered, and also you could have done the work very neatly according to me. No doubt, but to here, as the classes are running on in the online and you are almost interested in the classes, yes, you can also do your own self here. So, what you have to do? This is a word search puzzle. A number of words are given in the columns. By this, what you have to do means, in this column, you have to find the professions. Different professions are used. You are going to come upon different professions here. Very easily you can find out. For this, what's necessary? You may be knowing. Your concentration, your interest plays a very important role here. Your curiosity, your interest, your attention, these things play a very important role, especially in a game like word search puzzle. See, here one of the name of a one name of a profession, one of the name of the profession is given here, that is photographer. Yes, photographer. Photographer is given here. In the same way, see, in the first line I am giving you some of the hints here, later you can do. So after P you are coming across artist, artist is there. Are you sure? Artist is there. And in the same way, when you come down, yes, see, in the first line, when you come to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, seventh line, yes, when you go forward, teacher, teacher. So, in this way, no doubt very neatly, very easily, if your concentration is there, if your mindset is included in here, yes, you can very easily find out the names of the professions here. And by this, and in the last, see, last line, J is there. The first word, the first letter is J. JOURNALIST. Journalist is coming here. Is it? So, journalist is there. And if you go ahead, up, so SCIENTIST, scientist is there. So, in this way, if you put efforts, suddenly you are going to get a number of names which are related for the professions here. And in this way, you have to play the game of word search puzzle. and here you have to find out the names of different professions, and serially you can write the names of the professions here also, and you can mark them with different colors. What's there in this chapter? See, a question of space. The name itself makes us to think over the matter. How to think over the matter? What's there in this chapter? Yes, come on, let us go through the chapter in the beginning. So, the introduction of the lesson states, this lesson demonstrates how self observation leads to self improvement and change in attitude. In the first paragraph, I'm going to read some of the paragraphs here. You have to give full concentration and you have to listen here, and later you have to try to answer whatever the questions that I'm going to ask for you. Instead, you may also in the middle you may get answers also whatever the questions that I am going to ask you. So, the first paragraph of the chapter states what it states. Despite maintaining a consistent rhythm, Vikrant found himself completely out of breath at the end of the 3.2-kilometer jog. His head pounded with the effort and with thoughts of the pressure his parents were mounting on him to gear up for the medical entrance test. Still, a year and a half away, both successful doctors themselves, his parents were anxious that Vikrant ready himself to cope with the intensely competitive environment that had to be scaled for getting admission to a prestigious medical college. Class 11 had started with his mother's constant harping on the importance of the year for getting a good grip of science and maths. For waiving this as a foundation year for class 12, for using this as a practice year for launching into the 12th board and medical entrance exams, his father quizzed him constantly on maths, physics, biology, till his head spun. The conflicts had acquired a distinct edge ever since he had met Anuj, who had spun into his life like a new universe. Right here on this jogging track, Anuj was not just a person with a dynamic ideas on photography, on the connectedness between human beings and all other living species, on self improvement as a part of human evolution, on the cosmos. He had turned into a friend very quickly, a much older friend. While reading a book borrowed from Anuj and experimenting with Anuj's old Kodak camera, Vikrant knew that his parents had watched his new interest with growing dismay. His class grades had dropped. He had started skipping group tuitions, even the extra school classes designed for the weekends. An only child, as tension grew between Vikrant and his parents, so did his identity with Anuj. Panting, Vikrant flopped onto a concrete bench just beyond which Anuj was exercising on the metal swing bars grouted into the earth. Yes, dear students, this is about a child. Name of the child here is Vikrant. Yes, this incident goes forward like this. What is there? So Vikrant here, he was the only child of the parents. He was the only child. The parents did not had any other children except Vikrant. Vikrant was the only child for them. So Vikrant's father as well as mother, Vikrant parents, they were doctors. Almost we will be observing that especially the doctors, they want their children to become doctors. They love their profession very much. But some people are there who don't like their professions. But whenever we come across doctors, they love their profession very much. They respect their profession very much. No doubt they want their children also to become the doctors. Why they want their children to become the doctors? Because they love their profession. They respect their profession. If everyone does the work like this, no doubt every work is going to become very good. Everyone, they must and should have to love their professions. But some people are there who never like their professions. They will always be hating their professions. Always they will be hating their professions. They will be saying some wrong notions about their professions. Here the incident goes like this, that Vikrant is the child here in this story. The hero of the story, the hero of this A Question of Space chapter here is Vikrant. See, what we are going to learn about Vikrant means, we are going to understand that he is the only child of a successful doctor couples. They want him to become doctor. They were also doctor and they wanted their son also to become a doctor. And now this child, that is Vikrant, he was studying in class 11. That what we say here, PUC first year. Am I right? So before there was education system was different and now it is different and further it may go different. Before we were coming to know that 5 plus 3 plus 2, in this plus 2, in this way the system was there. Later is changed to 10 plus 2 plus 3, what the system is going on now. Again still it is taking different routes here. Whatever the matter may be, here Vikrant was studying in class 12, and because his parents want him to become a doctor, continuously the child was studying. Despite maintaining a consistent rhythm, consistent means always behaving in the same way, as if like a robot. Those parents had made their child Vikrant like a robot, because he was always behaving in the same way. See, here picture is given, in front of him books are there, and he is dreaming about something. There is a proverb in English, where there is a will, there is a way. But here the child is having books in front of him, but his thinkings are sometimes in the playground, sometime in the music, sometime in different fields. So why he is becoming like this? Because consistent rhythm here means a regular repeated pattern of movement or sound. Only one thing was repeated, that is he must have to work hard, he must have to study, he must have to become a doctor. So Vikrant found himself completely out of breath at the end of 3.2 kilometers jog. See, the child was very much upset here, because now and then the parents were focusing him only for the education. Even when he was breathing, that breathe, it means just in a comedy way it is said that even out of breath at the end of 3.2-kilometer jog, he was found himself completely out of breath. So much pressure was there on the child's mind here. His head pounded with the effort and with thoughts of the pressure his parents were mounting on him. See, always his parents, what they were doing? They were mounting on him. The parents, father as well as mother, both of them were always asking him about his studies to gear up for the medical entrance test. See, nowadays we are observing NEET exam is going on, CET is going on for those are known as medical entrance tests, and ranks will be held. In the same way, here also the child Vikrant was going to attend the medical entrance test. So his parents were focusing him a lot on his education here. But successful doctors themselves, his parents were anxious that Vikrant ready himself to cope with intensely competitive environment that had to be scaled for getting admission to the prestigious medical college. Now the exam is very near. They thought that, the parents thought that our son had done very hard work, and because of that he is going to pass in the entrance examination, and he is going to become a going to take a good seat, good admission in a very good and prestigious medical college. This is going to happen with the Vikrant. In this way, the parents of Vikrant, they were thinking about him. Class 6 had class 11 had started with his mother's constant harping on the importance of the year for getting a good grip on science and maths. Yes, especially those students who want to go for medical, want to go for engineering, no doubt they have to work hard in the science as well as in mathematics. So here the mother of Vikrant was also harping, means she was rotating the child on the importance of the year. She was explaining him that you have to work very hard in the first year also, so that you may get grip on the subjects like science as well as maths. If he gets grip according to the parents, if he gets grip upon those things, certainly he is going to get a good seat in one of the prestigious medical college, and he is going to become a very good doctor. They had the dreams like this. So because of these things, they were focusing their child to work very hard here. So the mother also said that for viewing this as a foundation year for class 12. For class 12 means to go ahead, that is to improve. If he gets grip on science and maths, automatically what we call as PUC second year, here class 12 is given, it may become very easy for him for using this as a practice year for launching into the 12th constantly. Especially the parents in that mother was giving more focus on maths, that is mathematics, physics as well as biology. Why she was doing like this? Because she want, in front of them they had only one dream. The dream was they want their son to become a very good doctor. No doubt every parents dream about their children. Say if the parents are uneducated, sometimes go through your own parents. Some of them may be having good education, some may be literate, some may be illiterate, some may be business persons, some may be job holders. So in this way, though the parents are having different professions, different ways of living, every parent nowadays wants their child to get good education so that he may get a good position in the society. Majority of the parents nowadays are interested in the medical field more than the students. More than the students, here they are also observing the dreams of their children. whereas the dream should be let to be seen by the child itself, whereas a child's dream is seen by the parents nowadays. So they want their children to go according to the way. Sometimes it must be noted that the children are given freedom so that they can choose their own way of subjects accordingly for them, which suits, which becomes very easy. So here freedom must be given for the children. By love and affection, those children, they must be handled in reaching their goals here. If this thing is done, automatically children are going to reach at the top. But majority of the parents nowadays, they focus they focus upon their aims which are belonging to the children, and so because of this reason also many of the children are becoming very lazy. And here also, because the parents are, the couples are doctors, they wanted their child, that is Vikrant, to become a doctor. And Vikrant, he has become a consistent Raitam here. So whatever the matter may be, they were focusing on mathematics, physics, biology. His father also quizzed him, asked him a number of questions regarding those subjects. In this way, they were muting them also. The conflict had acquired a distinct edge ever since he had met Anuj, who had spent into his life like a nerve universe right here on this jogging track. So, what's happening here? What was the aim? They never thought about the dream, they never thought about the aim of Vikrant here. So, here for Vikrant, a friend was there whose name was Anuj. The conflicts intensify after Vikrant's friendship with Anuj. See, automatically the child got into friendship with Anuj, and Anuj, a photojournalist whom Vikrant met in the jogging track. Here, another one personality comes in this chapter. Name of the personality here is Anuj. And who was Anuj? Anuj was a photojournalist. So, where their friendship took place? Their friendship took place when Vikrant met him in the jogging track. While he was jogging in the track, he came across Anuj. Friendship began, and he came to know that Anuj was a photojournalist. One day, what happens? As we go through the chapter here, we come to know that one day Vikrant asked Anuj if he was forced into his profession. See here, why he asked this question? Why he asks? Because here Vikrant was forced to choose the profession. So the same thing he wants to know about Anuj also. So he asks a question for Anuj, whether now he is a photographer. Okay, now he is a photographer, means whether this profession is also forced by your parents or someone else. He begins to ask the questions here. When he begins to ask the question, what's the answer that he is going to get? What he wants to know about him? Let us see in the next class. So I am going to end the class here.